Hello, everyone. My name is Hwangji. I'm an associate professor at the master program in healthcare administration at the University of Arizona Global Campus. It is my great honor to share my experience in implementing e-portfolio in the Capstone course. This is today's agenda. UACC has offered the master program in healthcare administration exclusively online since 2009. After the passage of the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act in 2010, the healthcare industry has faced transformational changes and uncertainty in the past decade. The changes in the healthcare industry demand modifications to the healthcare administration curricula. We implemented the redesigned course in September 2020. We include multimedia presentation in week 1, 2, 5, and 6 to enhance students' oral communication skills. We also include e-portfolio from week 1 to week 5. This revised course enables students to incorporate what they have learned in previous courses to real-world situations and keep students engaged in the course material. This revised course has two high-impact practices, e-portfolio and Capstone project and course. The Association of American Colleges and Universities had endorsed and promoted high-impact practices. They are evidently robust interventions to advance students' success. What is e-portfolio? E-portfolio is one of the useful tools to evaluate students' learning. E-portfolio can be defined as a collection and presentation of a student's experience, efforts, progress, and academic achievements over a period of time. It is also a detailed description of learning that has occurred. Evidence representing students' learning can be digital artifacts, written reflections on both formal and informal learning experiences, collaborative assignments, learning achievements, research activities, and community engagement. According to COOD ETL 2017, the e-portfolio is a powerful pedagogy approach that requires meaningful students' reflection and deepens learning while making achievement visible to students themselves, to their peers and faculty, and to external audience. E-portfolio represents a comparing digital resume that is an effective marketing tool to attract prospective employers and other stakeholders for comments and feedback. In week 1, students are required to complete introduction in the profile section of their e-portfolio by articulating who they are, including their leadership style, their value, their personal mission, vision, and career goal. In week 2, students are required to upload their previous schoolwork as the evidence of their competencies in healthcare administration based upon the American College of Healthcare Executive competency modeled using 5 competency domains. In week 3, students continue to upload artifacts for their education, training, certificates, badges, accomplishments, and community involvement if applicable. In week 4, students revise their resume by using the feedback provided from the job scan tool and then upload their revised resume to the e-portfolio. In week 4-5, students finalize their e-portfolio by making necessary changes and uploading their capstone project to the e-portfolio. We send out a student survey to students via email at the end of each class to gather students' feedback and learning experience. Based upon the data collected, over 3/4 of survey students reported e-portfolio helped them critically assess their academic work and accomplishment. We also capture students' verbal comments. Here are positive comments. The e-portfolio was an amazing tool, an organization way to celebrate individual accomplishments and prepare for future careers. It made me reflect on my accomplishments. E-portfolio gave me an opportunity to organize my skills and accomplishment and really think about my plans post-degree. I really enjoyed showcasing my talents and work experience. It's a great format that will be applying to employers. E-portfolio streamlined my resume. It was a real-time balance scorecard. E-portfolio helped me revise my resume and propose a product that could help me with my career advancement. It helped me see where I am at in my career goals and what areas I can improve upon. Let's take a look at negative comments. It was overwhelming, difficult to navigate. Even though this student provide a negative comment, this student felt e-portfolio required a deeper thinking of skills and matching them to competency. It was a waste of time, a real challenge. I felt frustrated, difficulty to master. I need more experience building this type of platform. It seemed like a lot of busy work. I would likely delete my e-portfolio. When asked, the Capstone project helped me integrate the knowledge and skill development within the MHA program. 89.19% respondents agreed with this statement. There are some challenges in the implementation stage. This is the first MHA course asking students to create their e-portfolio. Our students are mid-aged adult learners. It is hard for some students to be out of their comfort zone to learn new things in the last course of the program. Moreover, the majority of our students are frontline healthcare professionals. Since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, they have dealt with more challenges than other professionals, which also impacts their ability to learn new things. Along the line, some students might lose their family members to COVID-19, which is an important distracting factor as well. As I observed, some students might have anxiety or other mental challenges. Those students might have a hard time focusing and learning new things. They are panicked in week 1 because they are required to learn how to navigate within the e-portfolio platform and understand the requirements to complete their e-portfolio. They also tend to complain by saying, terrify, freak out, or traumatized. Finally, certain students are not tech savvy. In week 2, some students are still confused and struggling with uploading proper evidence to showcase their skills and competencies in healthcare administration. In week 3, well, a small portion of students are still confused. The majority of students follow the instructions to upload more evidence. In week 4, students enjoy working on their resume. In week 5, students are delightful to conclude their e-portfolio. In my own classes, I host a Zoom meeting with my students on day 2 of the class, explaining all learning activities due in each week and addressing their concerns. After teaching few classes, I started posting announcements, guidelines for assignments based upon common errors found from my previous students during week 1 to 5. I also provided my experience and guidelines to help other instructors facilitate the Capstone course smoothly. Additionally, I have fine-tuned the instructions several times. We have planned to add e-portfolio to 2 other MHA courses when we revise them. E-portfolio is considered as a record of documentations articulating students' progress, skills, competencies, experience, and achievements over time. In addition, e-portfolios function as an expanded CV to present the best work of students to the future employers or other stakeholders. There have been growing evidence of the e-portfolio's impact on students' learning. It is critically important for educators and institutions to consider that the integration of this pedagogy approach shall be thoughtfully woven throughout the curricula in a program, capturing the entire student's learning experience during the time of pursuing the degree. Are there any questions? Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me at hwangji.lut@uacc.edu. Thank you so much.